Well, I got the center console solidified, mounted down in its final position. So when this thing's done, Keith or Captain Saverig will go ahead and line the inside of this with the Raptor liner. And then we'll sound deaden some of it, obviously back here, up here. Maybe even do some up on the firewall for a little bit of dynamat, something for heat, and on the floor and sections, who knows. And then it'll be carpeted, so it'll be just like Pegasus. I did the same thing. Pegasus is all lined, and then, yeah, cool in the summer and hot in the winter. But yeah, so this is all down, and I've already tested it where I can unbolt it and take it right off. Now I'll be running. The funny part is I got to put extended parking brake lines on Pegasus because of the Fusion 4x4 axles that are in it. So I will take the stock ones out, which have not been hooked up in a long time, and put them in this Jeep. Yeah, and then I'll drill holes for the cables, or for the cable. Adam, or that one dude, gave me the cable from Titan, so I'll hook that to the transfer case, and we'll get this hooked up and the wiring done in here when it all goes together. So I'll step on the brake. Cool thing about this FSJ is, so it's got the regular brake, and then I'll put this switch for the interlock to control that, so it'll have its own separate switch. And then I got a back feed, because the way JK works is when we're going from driver neutral, and then we try to go forward, we've got a lockout, so I got to get past that. One's mechanical and one's electrical. So there's that. Just more steps. And this was the old original dash, but, or I mean, not dash, but grill. So I won't be using this one because I'm obviously going to the Rhino. Yep. All right, I'm out.